Do you know you can boost the resolution of your image here in Figma? So for those who don't know, it's pretty easy and I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So before we proceed, if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that and follow me on YouTube and TikTok as well. You can find the essential links to my socials in my bio. Thank you so much. So let's proceed. So all you need to do is to select your image, head over to the toolbar, click on the resources section, then right at the top you see boost resolution. But if you can't find it there, you can search for it, search for boost resolution, wait for it to load, and after a while it will boost the resolution of your image. It will make your image pop, it will make your image look better, it will make your image look more colorful. So let's try it again. I'm going to look for another picture and compare it with the previous one. You can see that this image is blurry and Figma already notified me that it is blurry, that I should boost the resolution. So if I click on it here, you see that it will boost the resolution of the image. Now you can see that the image is brighter, it's more colorful, it's more beautiful, it's more pleasing to the eye. So guys, this is how to do this in Figma. Let me know if you're going to be doing this anytime soon, or you're going to be using this feature anytime soon. I love what Figma is doing. I love the updates. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.